Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your appearance in Wise app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture, and now you can see the settings option just down below of this personal details. So simply tap on that settings option, and now you can see the appearance option at the third. So simply tap on that appearance option, and once you tap on it, you can see there are three options. First one is same as device, use light or dark mode depending on your device settings, and another one is light mode, and last one is dark mode as usual. So basically this is how you can change your appearance in Wise app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.